welcome back. Today's video we are talking about corncob pipes and a real easy upgrade to your corncob pipes is a forever stem. And there it is. Now this is a massive upgrade to your corncob smoking experience than these cheap things that come with the corn cobs. This is just cheap plastic. In my opinion, it's junk. I've used them over the years, but you know, I've put softy bits in there and you still chew through it. The plastic is just cheap. So these are acrylic. They're thick. They're nice. They have buttons on them. They come in all different sizes. You can get the filter, the non-filtered. Look at this bad boy. A little bit of a freehand style. Perfect upgrade to your cobs. I highly recommend getting... This isn't even going to work. But that's green. That's a little bit of a longer stem there. Here's the non-filter. So, an excellent upgrade to your corncob pipe. If you really have a corncob arsenal and you smoke corncobs a lot, this will really enhance your smoking experience with your cobs. Let's go take a look where you can get these at now. You can get them on this site, VermontFreeHam.com, and go over to Forever Stems. And you get to pick what stem you want. So we have the filtered, and it tells you, lists all the different types of cobs, and the unfiltered, and we have all the list of cobs there. Let's go over to the filtered, and you can see now there's all different sizes you can get, and you can see all different types of colors, swirly stuff. Shows you the different styles here. You can get them bent. You can get them straight. So these are worth the extra. There's a little cutty there. These are worth the extra upgrade to a cheaper corn cob that comes with those cheap plastic stems. Let's go take a look at the unfiltered. Same deal, same types of colors. It comes already cut. The tendon's already cut. They're usually cut for a new bowl, a new pipe. I have put them in newer stuff, and they fit fine. I've put them in older pipes that I've smoked a lot in, and they were. Some I had to do a little sanding. Some I didn't. You can just get some sandpaper, and if it's real tight, you know, sand down the mortise a little bit. So Vermont Freehand, Forever Stems, and he also has other stuff on here. A lot of pipe makers get their, you know, briar, olive, mortar blocks from them. Feel free to go through all that, but the main thing for this video is these Forever Stems. All right, so here they are again, acrylic, very nice. I'm glad I did the upgrade. So if you're a cob smoker, go right ahead and do yourself a favor, and it will completely change the pipe. You'll feel more sturdy too. All right, so I got, and we'll see you on the next one.